Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the audio format and reducing background noise, because cleaner input yields more accurate text. Once done, trim long pauses and split very long recordings into smaller files. This speeds processing and lowers errors. Next, upload the file using the app's drag and drop or file picker, and make sure to set the correct language and accent options. Doing these first steps ensures the transcription engine focuses on speech, not artifacts, which improves word-level accuracy immediately. Now configure the transcription. Pick a model that balances speed and accuracy. Choose fast for drafts or precise for publishable text. Enable punctuation and speaker labeling if you need readable output and dialogue separation, and turn on timestamps when referencing segments. Also tweak noise reduction and minimum confidence thresholds so the app flags uncertain words for review. Once settings are set, start the job and monitor progress. Pausing or canceling is possible if you spot an issue and need to change. Finally, review and edit the transcript to fix homophones, names, and any low-confidence regions. You're aiming for readability and accuracy. Once satisfied, export in the format you need: TXT for quick copy, SRT for subtitles, DocX for editing, or JSON for developer workflows. If transcription errors persist, make sure to reprocess using the precise model, a higher noise reduction setting, or a cleaned audio file. Alternatively, record a short sample and test settings to isolate the problem before rerunning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.